ginawa niyo pagre-reinstate? Bakit, sir?
Kasi yung tumawag naman sa akin, nagsabi, klaruhin ko sa inyo, nagsabi na yung grupo ni Marcos nagpatulong na kawawa yung pamilya nila, maiwan nila doon kung matanggal sila doon at mapunta dito sa krame. So baka pwede mo i-reconsider yung decision mo na tanggalin sila doon. So sabi ko, yes, wala problema. For humanitarian purposes, I'm willing to do it. Whatever, at least what is important, identify namin, nalaman namin yung fact na yan, and we're giving them the benefit of the doubt. While ongoing an investigation, wala naman ko nakikita problema kung manatili sila doon. So, that's my decision. That's my decision. I may be hanged or I may be praised by that decision, tanggapin ko lahat. That's my own decision, my own volition to reinstate them. Hindi gaanong influential. Kumpare-kumpare ko lang dyan sa... Mamaya lang. Basta kumpare ko lang. Nakiusap lang naman nakiusap.